Sepanjang sejarah umat manusia, pesan-pesan ilahi seringkali diselimuti misteri. Nabi, Mesias, atau dengan nama apa saja Anda memanggil mereka, sering dianiaya dan ditindas. Ajaran mereka dikaburkan. Tapi bagaimana kita membedakan yang benar dari yang salah? Untuk lakukan itu, seseorang hanya bisa mengandalkan bimbingan ilahi dan kebenaran menunjukkan diri pada mereka yang sungguh mencari. Waskita dan bijaksana, Prabu Jayabaya dari Jawa kuno mampu melihat keadaan dunia kita saat ini berabad-abad di depan, penuh dengan penderitaan, keserakaan materi, dan kekacauan. Sebuah dunia yang jahat dan tidak adil, yang mana saudara memakan saudaranya. Semua ini bagaimanapun adalah tanda-tanda perubahan zaman. Saat dunia kita yang putus asa akan berubah dari buruk menjadi baik, dari kegelapan menjadi terang, melalui anugerah yang menyelamatkan dari Sang Juru Selamat, Ratu Adil. Dalam episode hari ini, kami akan terus mempelajari berbagai penglihatan akurat dari Prabu Jayabaya tentang dunia kita yang kacau balau, ditambah tugas terpenting yang dia yakin kita harus melakukan, menemukan jati diri kita.
Akeh wong mati kaliren ing sisihing pangan, akeh wong nyekel bondo nanging uripe sengsara.
Bait ini menunjukkan bahwa meskipun banyak hasil panen diproduksi memberi makan dunia, tepat di samping makanan ada orang-orang yang kelaparan. Saat ini, 82% anak-anak kelaparan tinggal di negara-negara di mana tempat biji-bijian dipanen untuk diberikan pada hewan ternak, yang kemudian dibunuh dan dimakan oleh negara-negara yang lebih kaya dan berkembang. Jadi, ini berarti orang benar-benar sedang memakan daging saudara mereka, karena mereka memberi makan diri sendiri dengan mengorbankan sesamanya yang sedang sekarat.
Are you sure you can eradicate the hunger in the world?
Yes, if we don't feed the animals, don't raise more animals, because at least 55 billion animals are killed each year just for eating. And that 55 billion animals eat up all the grains, vegetables, valuable food and water, leaving 1 billion people hungry right now.
Yeah.
We don't feed the animals. It's not about we can or cannot. It's about we do or we don't want. We will or we will not. You see? We cannot just keep all this industry just to make somebody rich, or a handful of people rich, while billions of people hungry. And children, every 5 seconds, one child dies. And we have enough to feed the world. Moreover. So we have to change. I don't understand 21st century already, and still don't have such a concept as feeding the world like your family members.
Yeah.
Sementara itu, ramalan mengatakan bahwa banyak orang kaya tapi hidupnya sengsara Sungguh, meskipun kaya dan gaya hidupnya kaya raya, telah mencapai tingkat luar biasa pada generasi kita. Mereka tidak berhubungan dengan kebahagiaan yang lebih besar.
When 46-year-old Philip Seymour Hoffman was found dead in his New York City apartment over the weekend, the news shocked the world.
And this morning, according to authorities in California, they got a 911 call reporting that Williams was not breathing at his home in Tiburon. They're calling it a case of suspected suicide.
Amazon's Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world. And today, he and his wife announced they're divorcing after 25 years of marriage.
etc.
如果我们没有找到自己本人的内心的话，不管什么富有，当国王也好，当总统也好，当什么最有权威的人也好，不会真正的天天的快乐。要找到佛性了以后，内在的天国什么都容易，住在皇宫也很快乐，住在帐篷里面也很快乐，有钱很舒服，没有钱很舒服，着漂亮的衣服很舒服，没有穿漂亮的衣服也很舒服，什么都不会动摇我们的内心。
I'm an IT consultant.
Yeah.
And at times I would make more money than I ever thought would be possible. But October the 19th, I got laid off of my job because of the economy.
Yeah.
I haven't worked since then. And Master, I want to tell you, I have never been happier in my life.
Oh, yes.
You take such
Sometimes
good
it's like that.
care of me that I tell people that sometimes, even when it seems like I may not be able to make mortgage because I'm single,
Yeah.
money comes. Master always takes care. When I was in the mall one day, I said, why do I need another pair of pants?
Yes.
That's not important. For me, it's not the money thing. It's where you put your faith and where your priorities are. I know without a doubt,
Yes.
my soul is the number one priority. I said I may have to sell a house then, so what does it
Yes.
matter?
Even a mobile home.
It does not matter. Your
Even a
soul.
motor home.
I just want to tell you, Master, that what you've given me is priceless, and I want to thank you.
No, thank you so
So-
much. It's all yours. It's all
so
yours.
much.
Thank God. It's funny that you thank me. You are God, my God.
It's not that I came from a troubled life. My parents, two established scientists in China, love me very much. So does my only sister. I myself attended some of the most prestigious schools, and I always have a wide circle of friends. Seems like I have a happy life, right? But something was still missing. Deep down, I felt I didn't belong to this world. Depression took over. I resorted to smoking and even thought of suicide. It would take so much in Hai to put me on the path toward home. When I heard her lecture that day, everything became crystal clear. I got initiation the same night, during which I experienced the divine light and the heavenly sound, as described in all the scripts since ancient time. The occasion was so overwhelming, overflowing with bliss and beauty.
그런 풍파가 있으면서는 돈도 다 나가고 집도 나가고 새빵 살면서 굉장히 초조하고 한이 많고 이랬는데 입문하면서부터는 새빵을 살아도 좋고 굶어도 좋고 모든 것이 자신이 있고 편합니다.
敬爱的吴上师您好，我有一位大学同学是您的信徒，记得以前我骂他的时候他会生气，而现在我骂他，他不但不生气，反而对我点头微笑，并且说谢谢。我很惊讶于他的改变，看起来就像小孩子一样快乐无忧，与世无争，不像我们公司同事之間彼此爭名奪利、勾心鬥角，常常鬧得不愉快。
Sau gần 5 năm đắm chìm trong giáo lý và tình thương của sư phụ, giờ đây tôi thật sự đã trở thành một người bình thường, có thể sống an vui, không bị ràng buộc vào tiền bạc, chức vị hay bất cứ gì, tạm gọi là khổ vui mà trời Phật an bài. Xin vô vàn tri ân sư phụ kính yêu. Ngài thật sự là bậc thầy vĩ đại. I love you, Master.
etc.
Begjane sing lali, begjane sing eling, nanging sak bejo begjane sing lali, isih bejo kang eling lan waspada. Selot-selote besok wolak-walik ing jaman teka.
Bait-bait yang mendalam ini memberitahu kita bahwa mereka yang lupa akan jati diri mereka mungkin masih beruntung dan menjalani kehidupan nyaman karena karma baik mereka dari kehidupan sebelumnya. Dengan demikian tidak mengetahui apa yang mungkin menunggu mereka di masa depan atau di kehidupan berikut, suatu nasib buruk atau baik. Namun yang jauh lebih beruntung adalah mereka yang dimuliakan oleh seorang guru untuk mengingat asal-usul mulia ilahi mereka. Karena mereka hidup dalam kesadaran sejati dan bisa mengambil harta karun pencerahan batin ini dengan mereka yang berada di luar kehidupan sementara ini hingga keabadian.
You see some people, they are contented with their present state of life, good wife, happy family, and all that. But then somehow they still have a lingering dissatisfaction, you see, with life. They have the feeling that life is not complete. No doubt they have a good job, whatever.
That I know myself.
Yes.
That's why I came to seek enlightenment. Because nothing satisfies me. Even a good house, a rich life, or good husband. My husband is very handsome. And he's a doctor degree. And we had a beautiful, good life, in Germany.
Yes.
But even then, before that, I feel something missing. And after that, I feel something missing. During that, I feel something missing. To the point that my husband even noticed. He said, it seems like everywhere you go, it's like you live in a hotel. Don't belong there. Even in the most noisy party, it would detect the feeling inside me. So I say, yes. I don't feel anything in this world could offer me anything really true happiness. Not that I did not love my husband or I did not enjoy the comfort of life. It's just that I don't feel that they are enough. It is because deep in our heart, we are not the material being. We know it. In our subconsciousness, we remember that before we materialize this body by our desires and our experiences, we were someone else excellent.
I see.
Very intelligent and all-knowing, all-pervading, can go anywhere we want, very free. And we feel we are imprisoned in this flesh, so we feel dissatisfied until we get enlightened, until we experience the real state of our freedom again. Then we know, that's it. That's why I was unhappy before.
ta thương ta như thương anh em đại địa một nhà. Ngày mai giã từ ai sẽ nhớ, một lần tạ từ là mãi cách xa. Thôi biết bao giờ mới gặp nhau, thương người tóc xanh giờ đã bạc màu. Thôi biết bao giờ mình gặp nhau, thương người tóc xanh tình đã bạc màu. Ta mãi thương người như ta thương ta, như thương năm châu đại địa sơn hà. Ngày mai giã từ ta sẽ khóc, một đời mong đến tình nghĩa thiết tha. Ta mong với trời cao ngất, ta thương người như ta thương ta.
Terima kasih pemirsa yang peduli telah bergabung dengan kami hari ini.